No problem.
I sit before you to stand behind you to tell you a story I know nothing about. Thursday, the day after Friday, will be a ladies' meeting for men only. If you can come, don't come. Wear clothes if you don't have any. Admission will be free, but you have to pay at the door. Seats are available, but you have to sit on the floor. Hot potties are in the fridge, and cold drinks are in the oven. This is how I begin to end my story. One fine day in the middle of the night, two dead boys got up to fight. Back to back, they faced each other, pulled their knives to shoot each other. The deaf man who heard it came and killed the two dead boys. If you don't believe my story is true, ask the blind men and women. They saw it too. Okay, my YouTube channel, it's been a while I've not been on. And I want to say thank you guys for the support. My subscribers may not be as much as others, but I'm grateful for those who have subscribed. I want to create new contents that you guys can have fun, learn, and enjoy yourselves. So feel free to comment, feel free to let me know what's on your mind and we can discuss it. There's some stuff on my mind that I want to share and will be sharing, but I don't want to be selfish. I want to involve you all, so let me know what you like us to talk about, what you like us to share. Be good and have yourself a great day.